lemon garlic chicken wraps, which is what we're gonna make. This is super quick and easy. So like, this is perfect for like a little meal, you know, afternoon, evening, get home late from work, can't be asked. I'll show you how quick it is. So we've got chicken thighs. We're gonna go in a bowl, like that. Slap it in.
That smells a bit off, mind.
It's real Greek yogurt.
Are you sure?
Let me smell.
That fucking stinks.
You got me good. I normally see you going for a fucking mile there.
Your head's in a different world, wasn't it? I thought, bloody hell, I got him.
Anyway, this is this is Greek yogurt. Yogurt, 1 big fatty, 2 big fatties, olive oil, a little smidge, salt, some mixed herbs, bit of that, chili flakes, just anything you got on hand really. Like you could do raw garlic or easy garlic. I got this because
Cheating garlic.
I'm in an easy mood. 1, 2, and then whole grain mustard in there. Sure you always preheat your oven. Fun fact, I got this for my 30th birthday, which is 2 years ago now. Never washed it, not once.
For the inside.
Never washed it.
Adds to the flavour, doesn't it?
Yeah, lead. So that's preheating. We're gonna get a little bit of bit of coriander, which is God's herb. I forgot my good knife again, so I apologise to myself. Shove that in, and then just give it a good old mix. You know what? Also, I'm gonna do.
Any cuts?
Loads. So yeah, bit of lemon. So we're gonna do yogurty, garlicky, lemony,
Barbecue-y.
chicken.
Pussy sounds like.
Fine.
It's his mum, isn't it?
That's what good pussy sounds like.
So that is some tasty chicken. Real basic salad. It's literally just gonna be red onion. Oh, so blunt. Yeah, so like a bit of red onion. Red chilli. That, mix them up. Rock it. I need a bowl, don't I? I need that bowl.
Shit.
Let's chuck them on. Andy, could you wash them up for us? Obviously, could do that in a frying pan as well. Or the oven, or an air fryer. Chili, onion, and then rock it. Smidge of oil, smidge of lemon, a garlic. Now I might put, chop them up nice, real small. About the only thing my knife can chop. You don't need to do the pickles, it's just because we got them. You know, and then bit of a mix. Whoops. Air gun. We're all just getting carbon monoxide poisoning. Oh yeah. This is classic Britain, isn't it? We're barbecuing, it's raining. Wouldn't normally do this, but we did burgers last night, so we got leftover cheese, American cheese, and they melt nicely, so. Chicken's done, salad's done. We've got a bit of our sauce, which is the same as the marinade.
House sauce.
House sauce, yeah.
It's about to bang him on the big thing anyway.
Yeah. So we're gonna start. Bit of sauce. Slice up your chicken and cheese. Load them into your wraps. Kind of want to put everything vertically as well, just so it rolls easier. Bit of salad.
Making me bloody mouth water.
I was gonna say I'm salivating.
Wrap the bottom. Tuck it in. And roll.
Bloody hell.
And then always start with like the seam down. So seams at the bottom, because then it like cooks and like seals it. You could do this on frying pan and air fryer it, just cook your wraps a little bit, even for like a minute.
Easy Money.
chicken, garlic, yogurt, lemon wraps.
Oh, I got some weight to them. How do they go?
Too hefty.
Actually tastes like barbecue as well. That's nice.
That cheese goes heavy as well.
It does. I might have to add cheese to this recipe.
That's fire.
That's so good.
Good finish to a pre-shit day.